All right, we're doing day 3 of week 3. So we're going to start off with doing our sliding circle flares half and half. So here we go, out. Perfect. That's 1 rep. We're going to do that for 3 sets of 3. Then we're going to flip it other direction. Good. So that's the other direction. 3 sets of 3 of that. Then we'll do our side plank leg lift. That's 1 rep. Repeat for 3 sets of 6, both sides. Next is our fold. I'm using something slidey. Plank position. I'm gonna push my hips up as high as I can. Ooh, I lost it. Cool, so that's 1 rep, 3 sets of 6. Now we're gonna do essentially an analog of that, but on the front side. Great. Cool, so you're gonna start off with your hips as far forward as possible. Legs will be locked out the entire time. Essentially, starting in a reverse plank. Pull in as far as you can go. Push out as far as you can go. That is 1 rep. So repeat that for 3 sets of 6. Perfect.